Hello viewers, today I'll show you guys how to replace the engine oil on a 2001 Lexus IS300. Got the I got the car prepped and lifted, so the next step is to dive right underneath and get started. Ignore the whole no bumper thing. Bumper's right there, it's just taken off. So to find the oil drain plug, super easy, right underneath, and it's probably like a foot behind the radiator, and it's right there. You guys will need a 14mm socket to take off or take out the drain plug. So put the drain plug back in. This is where the oil filter is, which is a little bit difficult to get to. As you guys can see, it's on the right hand side of the engine right here. So in all honesty, I'm not sure how I'm going to get to it, but I will try. I just remembered, thankfully, that 2 days ago this came in the mail. So basically this is a filter removal set, socket set if you will. So this is what I use to take off the Lexus filter. It's draining right there. With this, super easy. Literally did like 2 turns and then the rest of the way by hand. And this whole set was like $41 on eBay. Very happy with it. First one, piece of cake. Got the car lowered. Aside from that, probably 4x4. So now we get to put oil in the engine, and it will need 5.7 quarts. As always, I'm using Mobil 1 full synthetic. I'm putting in 5W30 in here. I will probably put roughly 5 quarts, maybe a little bit more. Start the engine, let it run for a little bit, and then check the oil level and add accordingly. And that's a wrap, guys. Put about 5.5 quarts of oil, started it up, made sure it doesn't leak. Everything went well. Super easy to do this oil change. I'm sure some of you will struggle with the oil filter on the side, but it's doable, especially if you have a set like I do. Probably not a bad investment if you guys do oil changes fairly frequent by yourself. Thank you very much for joining. Thank you very much for watching. Subscribe, hit that like button, and I will see you guys in the next video.